Got 5 very hungry men sitting up there right now.
Yes. Plus Jeremy Mayfield, who's in there, and those guys all in front of Dale Jr. Behind Dale Jr. to help him draft: Mike Wallace, Bobby Labonte, Rusty Wallace, Ward Burton. I'm sure he'd love to see Michael Waltrip or Steve Park somewhere close to him. But Michael's back in 14th and Park is in 22nd.
I don't think Dale needs anybody.
Get all the gears.
7 laps left. Now it'll be 6 as they come to the start-finish line. Time to settle the Pepsi 400 at Daytona. Dale Earnhardt Jr. is 6th in line, and Benson leads on the restart.
Once again, you can't pass on the inside to get to that line. All right, it's free game. Let's go.
Ward Burton quickly down to the inside to try and grab a spot.
See Jeff Gordon back on the racetrack. Earnhardt Jr. lying back, trying to get him a run. He has that run, but Tony Stewart pulls up in front of him. He's got Jeremy Mayfield.
He's got time, I guess.
Schrader pushed to the outside lane.
20 cars, the only one upstairs.
Look at Junior go.
Up to 4th. Here comes Bobby Labonte pushing through. Junior to the outside of Mayfield for 3rd.
Seven's coming.
Mike Wallace is coming with him. You can hear Tom Norris tell him. You got help on the outside, Junior.
Does Blaney block in the 93? What about Benson?
They're going to stay on the bottom of the racetrack. I think they're going to give the outside to Junior.
Jeff Gordon getting black flagged by NASCAR. Here's Dale Jr. to the outside of Dave Blaney for 2nd spot. Mayfield pushes him along in the draft.
Still there.
To the outside for the lead in turn 4. Dale Earnhardt Jr. rockets to the front of Daytona. Listen to the crowd.
And look at this crowd behind him. Look at this place behind him. And Tony Stewart just run underneath the yellow line.
Tony Stewart will be black flagged by NASCAR. Black flag for Tony Stewart for going below the out-of-bounds line.
All clear.
And Tony Stewart is in 2nd spot with $1 million on the line.
Okay, 20 is coming, but you're all clear.
Here comes Bobby Labonte. He's got $1 million on the line as well. It's Michael Waltrip who's pushing him toward the front.
And the ball is underneath the yellow line on the backstretch.
This thing's not over yet. Michael Waltrip trying to become the first man to sweep a season at Daytona since 1982. He's up to 3rd.
18, 15 behind you. 3 laps to go.
Ward Burton dives low.
Low, but you're clear.
I'll tell you one thing. If Junior was running 3/4 front, all that is it because he's running wide open right now.
Ward Burton rocketing toward the front. Look at him on the outside.
Behind you.
Outside of Michael Waltrip for 3rd. Here's Elliott Sadler up to 5th. Where'd he come from in the Wood Brothers car?
He's me.
Frantic, intense racing in the final laps at Daytona. But it's still Dale Earnhardt Jr. out in front. They've got to take the win away from him.
Teammate behind the 15.
Tony Eury Jr.